Good morning. It is Christmas Eve, 2022. We've been snowed in. There's not much else to say. This is my first time ever being actually snowed in. Like, we got about 2.5, 3 feet of snow in the span of 6 hours. It snowed so hard last night. Lucas and I went out for this little adventure rip, and we've woken up this morning to quite the beast of a storm. Ahead of us is shoveling, snow blowing, and probably pushing cars out of the road. So today, that's what we're up to. Woo! I have never seen this much snow. This is nuts. Nuts. Just to give you an idea of how quickly it's snowing right now, let's take a look. So we shoveled and snowblowed 40 minutes ago, and there's already an additional 3.5 to 4 inches of snow. The city plow has gotten stuck. Incredible. We're gonna go take a look at the snow plow here, see what can be done. It's snowing to the point that I'm definitely not getting out today. That's out of the question. Maybe tomorrow. And it's snowing so fast that we can't really keep up with it. So taking a break, eating breakfast, and maybe I'll just watch some Netflix. Wow. This is wild. Update 3:10. We got about an hour left of daylight here. It is still coming down. It is still above the railing. The plows have not gotten to our road. They got stuck. We're not going anywhere. It's time like these that I'm particularly thankful for FaceTime and video calls. So being able to talk to everybody on Christmas Eve, that was really nice. Lucas and I are gonna settle in for a night together. Christmas Eve with just the two of us. So probably make some pizzas, watch a movie, and call it a night. Couple pizza pies. One last venture out into Christmas Eve 2022. Merry Christmas. Yeah, very white Christmas indeed.
Look at how much snow is filling up this fence.
This is a normal fence. So much powder. This all came down today. All right, it's been a crazy one. Another day and 8. Done. Woo!